Hello guys, this is an update of the allotment. Remember guys, I showed you when I was clearing it up and burning some stuff that needed that I'd cleared from the allotment at the time. Now we've actually planted something now, so I'm just gonna go around now and show you what I have got planted. Uh, Down here I've got some cucumbers and some watermelon. Look at that, that's in a raised bed. That's doing very well. Then I've got another raised bed here with some um, tomatoes. They're not doing very well. They are the black tomatoes. Hopefully if it rains, they might catch up and I have something. And over here guys, look at this. This is my um, grape tree. Unfortunately, we didn't do very well this year. The grapes, there's not many grapes. There's no grapes, in fact. There's no grapes, but it's done so well. I wish the frost hadn't killed everything. But look at this. This is amazing. This is amazing grape tree. Yeah. Now go to the other side, guys. This is where you saw me rotavetting. Look at this. Pumpkins. Just look at this pumpkin field, guys. This is awesomely amazing. I'm really pleased with this. This is so pleasing. I'm hoping that I'll get a lot of pumpkins. But the problem we have at the moment is we have a drought in the UK. So we need a bit of rain. If we had to get like 2 days of rain, these pumpkins would be awesomely good. They are starting to fruit now, but I'm not quite sure how big the fruits are going to be because of lack of rain. And you know, I don't actually water them because pumpkins don't need watering because the roots go deep and look for the water. Then over here, guys, I have got some onions. I did show you before, but they haven't done well either. The thing is also because of lack of water, lack of rain from the sky. I've watered them, but the water from the tap water doesn't seem to be doing very well. But yeah, hopefully if it rain, we get potatoes over here, which I showed you before. It's reasonably good crop. I only grow a few potatoes anyway. But yeah, I think I'm happy with this little thing I've got, the little amount that I've got. Then going down here, guys, is my maize crop, which I'm also pleased with. So you can see I got two different crops here. This one here was the original one, and then I transplanted onto this one because I had too many in one place there, so I transplanted from there onto here. You can see these are pretty good individually, which have done pretty well actually, because I thought when I transplanted in this heat wave I might not be able to make it. I thought they were going to die, but actually they've done very well. Let's look at that. That's perfect. Now going down here, guys, I'm going to show you something interesting. I have actually got in this big thing here some sweet potatoes, and I'll show you now. Look at that, guys, sweet potatoes. I got them in these little bags, grow bags. Yeah, I'm not sure. This is experimental. I'm hoping something will come out of it. They originally from the sweet potatoes. I made the slips myself. They are like Ugandan slips made from Ugandan sweet potatoes. Then this is my beans, guys. As usual, I thought I was not going to have any beans this year, but it looks like I am going to have some because I've got a few plants growing here, which is quite good, which I'm pleased with again. Just going around here, I've also got some few other, well, I call them raised beds. This is not really, it's just a raised bit of thing. So I've got courgette here. There was a courgette here, but I died, so I put a pumpkin on. And then here I got marrow. Put some marrow here. Don't look very big. I think probably the mistake I made there might be I need to change the manure. So I've been growing them for using those two for quite a while. On here I got some cucumber, doing reasonably okay, and I think the lack of rain again is affecting it. You can see the color is not that great. And I think if we have rain, I've been watering this, but obviously it's not responded very well to the water with the chlorine that we use here from the collection point. But if it rains, I think they would be better. And here I got another raised bed with 2 pumpkin plants, doing pretty good too. Yeah. So there you go, guys. So that's an update from what I showed you last time. If you like this video, guys, you can always subscribe to the channel so I can always update you whenever I get new stuff coming in recorded. So yeah, thank you for watching this video. See you again in the next video.